An investigation has been launched this evening into what caused a billboard to fall, causing damage to 3 vehicles on Halfway Tree Road in St Andrew. At the time it came tumbling down, 2 of the vehicles were occupied, causing panic and hysteria in the parking lot where the incident happened. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with our report.
Frightening moments for these 3 persons when a billboard came crashing down on the roof of their vehicles while they sat inside minding their own business.
I was frightened. I lost in the car. I said, oh my God, I die now. I said, oh my God, I'm dead now. We're frightened. I said, oh my God, I'm dead. I'm girlfriend. I come on, I said, what is going on? And I said, this sign coming on the car.
All 3 vehicles belonging to different owners were parked under the billboard on the compound of the Texaco gas station at the intersection of Oxford Road and Halfway Tree Road.
I come and park, come and get a phone card, went back in my car, sitting, talking to my common law wife. 2 cars parked beside me. When I realized I have an explosion coming down, when I realized I get chopped in my car, but the sign blow down and right down my back of my car. Pin me, I couldn't come out. I get a little lick on my side. And the van saved my life, and my girlfriend get a little shake up. Just come out of surgery last week ago, and so forth. So I don't know what the outcome become.
The driver of the Honda SUV was too shaken to talk on camera, but she says she was pinned down inside and had to beckon for help from someone passing near her vehicle. A close look at the posts that hoisted the sign shows that they were rotting at the base. The structure itself also shows signs of aging. Robert Hill, town clerk at the Kingston and St Andrew Municipal Corporation, says he has ordered an investigation into the incident.
First of all, we really ought to give thanks that the damage wasn't worse and that life was spared. I have so far given instructions to the City Engineers Department to do an immediate site visit and to produce a report coming out of what they have found, and also to use this opportunity to remind all the advertising companies that they are to check on the structural integrity of their billboard structures and other signs, as this is part of their conditions of approval. So far, we will await the City Engineers Department report before we make any further comments on this matter. Thank you.
Mr. Marley says he learned a valuable lesson and hopes others will too.
When I see sign, I stay far from sign. Anywhere I go to sign, I'm an old building, I just try to park far away. I could lose my life.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.